hold up. Yeah. Yes.
Electromagnetic fields are a combination of invisible electric and magnetic field of force. They are generated by natural phenomena like the Earth's magnetic field, but also by human activities, mainly through the use of electricity. Electromagnetic radiation is any form of energy-carrying radiation created by the interaction of the electric and magnetic fields. It comes in many different types, although the differences between them are quantitative rather than qualitative. Electromagnetic radiation is a wave, has a wavelength and a frequency. It is also composed of particles called photons, and each photon has an energy. These three quantities are related, and any of them may be used to define the type of radiation. Malaysia's standard for controlling exposure to time-varying electric, magnetic, and EMF was released by SURIM. It is to specify limit of exposure to EMF and prevent adverse health effects, and also to recommend standard equipment and procedure to assist determination of compliance of the standard. The World Health Organization (WHO) is a specialized agency of the United Nations that is concerned with international public health. It was established on 7 April 1948, headquartered in Geneva, Switzerland. The WHO is a member of the United Nations Development Group.
In this globalization's era, mobile phone is a crucial thing for communicates. Mobile phone is an integral part of modern telecommunication. Day by day, market of mobile phone growing rapidly in many countries. The problem to be seen now is whenever the mobile phone is turned on, it is emitting harmful EMF called electromagnetic radiation. It exists in mobile phone because it uses radio frequency wave to make and receive call. RF wave from mobile phone come from the antenna part. The closer the antenna with the person's head in time receive and make a calls, the more RF energy absorbed by that person. This RF energy will affect human health and safety such as headache, eye problem, fatigue after prolonged use, raised blood pressure and others. We can see the other cell phone health hazard in the yellow box.
The objective in our project is to create awareness on the harmful effects of EMF radiation to the human body that caused by the mobile phone. In our project, we are also informing the public on what are the steps to be taken to prevent any hazards from EMF exposures. Next to it, we identify the safe position or distance when using the mobile phone that can minimize the effect of this EMF radiation. We'll also discuss more on the type of radiation that produced by a mobile phone.
Mobile phones emit two kinds of EMF, which are microwave electromagnetic radiation from the antenna and more EMF from the phone body. When you hold your mobile phones up to your ear, 10% to 80% of the radiation from the phone penetrates 2 inches into your brain. Studies have shown that mobile phones held near the head cause brainwave change in 70% of people. Studies have shown that people who sleep with a mobile phone by the bed have poor REM sleep, leading to impaired learning and memory. Long-term effects remain to be seen. When the cell phone signal is held next to the head, brainwaves are altered a full 70% of the time. Most brain surgeons limit their mobile phones use and counsel patient never to hold them to their ears. How to use your cell phone safely? First, don't put your cell phone right next to your body. This is because moving a cell phone even an inch from the body can greatly reduce radiation exposure. Second, turn your cell phone off when you are not using it. Third, carry your cell phone in your purse or backpack instead of in your pocket. Again, it's all about creating distance between you and your cell phone. So if you carry your phone away from your body, then you are reducing your exposure. Fourth, avoid using your cell phone in place where you get a poor signal. Cell phones are constantly communication with cell phone towers, but the further away the subscriber is from the cell tower, the weaker the signal. In order to connect to the cell tower, the device must boost its power, which increases the amount of radiation.
As a conclusion, we have learned that electromagnetic fields are combinations of invisible electric and magnetic fields of force. Electromagnetic radiation, on the other hand, is any form of energy-carrying radiation created by the interaction of electric and magnetic fields. Next, we have identified certain problems caused by mobile phone radiation. The problems to be seen now is whenever the cell phone is turned on, it is emitting harmful EMFs called electromagnetic radiations. This RF energy will affect human health and safety. After that, we have discussed the EMF danger from mobile phones and also on ways to use your cell phones safely. One of the danger of mobile phones is they have thermal effects as well as non-thermal effects. Thus, we have to keep our cell phones away from our body to reduce these effects. Last but not least, we did this assignment to create awareness on the harmful effect of EMF radiation to the human body that caused by mobile phones. Next to it, we have identified the safe position or distance when using our mobile phone that can minimize the effect of this EMF radiation.